Welcome to Kimberlite Glass Limited, providing a professional and friendly service for over 35 years. Double glazing is a wonderful thing, but occasionally there are problems such as fogged up sealed units that mean you're losing heat and energy. We handle all aspects of glazing repair, usually on the spot. We also provide top quality secondary glazing, which can be fitted to your existing windows to insulate your home and reduce noise. Ideal if you live in a conservation area or a really old house. Call us now to find out more. Kimberlite Glass Limited. You can see clearly now.